Students, today we are going to discuss about the other chemical properties of aniline. In previous class also we start with chemical reactions, and today we discussed an important chemical reaction named alkylation. In this chemical reaction, aniline, also named aromatic amine, react with alkyl halide to form primary, secondary and tertiary type of amines, and finally it makes quaternary ammonium side. So it is totally based on the substitution type of chemical reaction. So now we take their chemical reaction for the proving of alkylation. Aniline C6H5NH2, also write it NHH. It reacts with methyl iodide. So formula of methyl iodide is CH3I. A single hydrogen atom subtracted iodine atom to form hydrogen iodide Hi, and gives C6H5NHCS. C6H5NHCS. It is known as N-methyl aniline. When C6H5NHCH3 react with methyl iodide CH3I, then it subtracted also hydrogen iodide Hi to form C6H5N and CH3 whole taken 2. It is known as N-dimethyl aniline. So this one is known as 1 degree type of amine, and this one is known as 2 degree type of amine. Now another reaction, C6H5N CH3 whole taken 2 react with methyl iodide CH3I. Now in last reaction it gives their addition product C6H5N CH3 whole taken 3. This entity shown then their cationic charge, positive charge, and edit with I minus. It is known as quaternary ammonium salt. It is under category of 3 degree type of reaction. So all type of reactions are known as alkylation. Now next chemical properties is acylation. This reaction is completed by two reactants named acetic anhydride and acetyl chloride. So first we take the reaction with acetic anhydride. The formula of acetic anhydride is Also we said that reaction with acetic anhydride. Formula of acetic anhydride is CH3CO, whole taken 2 and O. When aniline react with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine, it makes acetanilide. Also we say that in the case of acylation, aniline react with acetic anhydride or acetic chloride. In the presence of pyridine, it gives anilide products. Like as in this chemical reaction, C6H5NH2 or NHH. Also their structural formula of acetic anhydride is O single bond and single bond, CH3CO and CH3CO. In the presence of pyridine, it subtracted acetic acid. A single hydrogen atom is subtracted from CH3COOH and make acetic acid. Now it gives NHCOCS3, C6H5NHCOCS3. This product is known as acetanilide. Now we give its structural reaction. C6CH5NH2 is aniline react with acetic anhydride, CH3CO single bond O, CH3CO. In the presence of pyridine, it subtracted the molecule of acetic acid and to make acetanilide, NHCOCS3 plus CH3COOH. So this reaction is known as the part of acylation. Now second reaction of acylation is completed with acetyl chloride, also known as acid halide. So we say that reaction with acetyl chloride. The formula of acetyl chloride is CH3COCl. C6H5NH2 react with CH3COCl. In the presence of pyridine, it subtracted HCl to form acetanilide, C6H5NHCOCS3 plus HCl. In their structural formula, C6H5NH2 aniline react with acetyl chloride, CH3COCl. In the presence of pyridine, it subtracted HCl to form acetanilide, NHCOCS3 and subtracted HCl. So both two reactions are the categorized their mechanism of acylation. Next reaction is a type of nomination reaction, most important for you, named carbyl amine reaction. also known as isocyanide test. In this reaction, aromatic aniline are amine, because we also studied this type of reaction in the case of alkyl amine. Primary amines are NH2, but here we studied their chemical properties of aniline. So we take example of aniline. C6H5 NH2 react with chloroform. It is in the category of haloform. CHCl3 is the formula of chloroform. And caustic potash or potassium hydroxide. To form a stanky smell product named phenyl isocyanide. It is also known as carbonyl. C6H5NC. This one is the main product of this reaction. And subtracted potassium chloride and water molecule H2. Here chlorine atoms is 3. So for balancing 3, for potassium 3, and for hydrogen also we take 3. This reaction is also represented by their structural formula. C6H5 NH2 is the formula of aniline. It reacts with chloroform and caustic potash. So gives phenyl isocyanide C6H5 and triple bond C plus subtracted potassium chloride KCl with water H2. Now next reaction, reaction with aldehyde. This is also known as a reaction with benzaldehyde. It makes a base. Aniline C6CH5NH2 react with benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. It is also represented by their structural form C double bond O single bond H. It gives C6H5 and O C CH and C6CH5. It is known as base. It is also aided by the double bond because it subtracted here water molecule H2O. This product is known as Swift base. Or amines, also known as benzalidene aniline. Here we make its structural formula. Then aniline C6H5NH2 or NHH react with benzaldehyde The structural form of benzaldehyde is C6CH5, C double bond O and single bond H. Here its subtracted water molecule to form C6CH5 and double bond C, single bond H and ended with another phenyl. This formula is known as benzalidene aniline R6 base and subtracted water molecule. So here are some important chemical reactions of aniline. Now next class we also discussed about the ring reaction of aniline and some other chemical reactions.